Could I switch to the MatePad Pro from the iPad Pro? The Huawei MatePad Pro 13.2 is powered by the Kirin 9000S chip with 12 GB of RAM and either 256 GB or 512 GB of storage. The star of the show is, arguably, the 13.2-inch flexible OLED panel, which is the largest ever for Huawei. It boasts a 8K resolution, 144 Hz refresh rate, P3 color, and 1000 nits of peak brightness. There's an iPad beating 94% screen-to-body ratio and a neutral light sensing display for enhancing brightness and contrast. Color choices are typically Pro muted and limited to either green or golden black, which feels like an oxymoron. The MatePad Pro 13.2 also heralds the introduction of the third-generation M Pencil and a new smart magnetic keyboard. The MatePad Pro 13.2 is a bloody nice device. Really nice, in fact. What strikes you at first is how thin and light it is. For a long-term iPad user, those ultra-slim bezels feel suitably space-age. At just 3.4 mm, you'd be forgiven for assuming they'd result in usability issues, but I had no problems in any orientation. This is partly due to how beautifully light Huawei's tablet is. At 5.5 mm thin, it makes the 6.4 mm 12.9-inch iPad Pro feel rather portly, as does the not insignificant 102G weight saving. The third-generation M Pencil feels great in the hand and is easily as responsive as the second-generation Apple Pencil. This is thanks to the Nearlink technology powering the new M Pencil, which boosts the signal from the stylus and reduces latency. The result is the first stylus to boast more than 10,000 pressure sensing levels. The M Pencil also has pressure sensitivity, double tap functionality, and charges magnetically on the MatePad Pro 13.2. There really is very little to separate it from Apple's "it's not a stylus." It's also lighter and less cumbersome than the Apple Magic Keyboard, although the outer casing is just as susceptible to smudges and grime. Unfortunately, it doesn't take long for it to look rather unsightly. No, but that's not a fair reflection on the MatePad Pro 13.2. As most other reviewers have pointed out, this is a brilliant tablet, and I agree wholeheartedly. I love the design more so than that of the iPad Pro. It makes Apple's flagship tablet feel almost old-fashioned. I also like Harmony OS 4. It's well thought out and tuned to aid productivity.